This video will determine if two triangles are similar. Up at the top left, I have some important terms written: similar, congruent, and AA postulate. So we're looking for similar triangles, and we can use the AA postulate. The AA postulate states that two triangles are similar if they have two corresponding angles that are congruent or equal. So for our base triangle, we are using A, B, and C. We know that our bottom angles are 65 and 65. Since these are triangles, we are looking for 180 degrees. We know that our top angle, this is 130, so it has to be 50. Okay, so let's start looking at our triangles here and see if they are similar. Looking at JKF.